Check out this Ram 2018 2500 Bighorn. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches polished aluminum, STD, CTR stop lamp with cargo view camera included, rear view auto dim mirror, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, gross vehicle weight, 10,000 lbs Cummins turbo diesel badge current generation engine controller diesel exhaust brake selective catalytic reduction, area, tow hooks 180 amp alternator Ram active air, radio, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display included, Sirius XM Travel Link USB host flip Google Android Auto 5-year Sirius XM Travel Link service 5-year Sirius XM Traffic service 1-year Sirius XM Guardian Trial Media Hub, 2 USB-O, HD radio Sirius XM Traffic Plus